Next theorem, as a subcollection beta of subsets of X is a base for a topology Ta on the ground set X. If Ta is a topology on the ground set X, then the ground set X is equal to the union of the elements of B such that the set B is belong to the subcollection beta. Proof: suppose that beta is a base for a topology Ta on X. Since the ground set X is an open set of the topology Ta by definition of the topology, by definition of the topological space, that is, the ground set X is an open set according to the previous theorem, which state that for each X belong to the open set U, the open set U is belong to Ta, there exists a set B belong to beta such that X belong to the set B, which is an element of the subcollection beta, and the set B is a subset of the open set U. Since the ground set X is an open set of the topological space X star, therefore for each X belong to the open set X, there exists a set Bx belong to the subcollection beta such that X belong to Bx, such X belong to this open set, this set Bx, which is the element of the subcollection beta of subsets of X, such that X belong to Bx and Bx is a subset of the ground set X, which is an open set of the topological space X star, according to the above condition, according to the above theorem. And suppose that the ground set X contain the element x1. For the element x1 belong to the ground set, there exists a set Bx, there exists a set Bx1 which is contained in the open set, of the open set X of the topological space star. And for an element x2, there exists x2 belong to the ground set X, there exists a set Bx2 which is contained in the open set X. That is, in this subcollection, for an element x2 belong to the ground set X, there exists a set Bx2, say, which is according to this theorem, which is a subset of the open set X, and the set contain the element x1 will be the subset of the set Bx1, which will be a subset of the ground set X. And the set, when this is an element of this set, then the set contain the element x2 will be a subset of the set contain the element Bx2. This set, the set contain the element x2 will be a subset of Bx2, and Bx2 is already the subset of the ground set X. Now, the union of these sets, the union of all these sets is a set X, because the ground set X contain these two elements. Suppose in this case the ground set X contain these two elements, then each of the union of each of these each X belong to the ground set X, and the union of all these sets, all the set contain each of the element of the ground set X is equal to the set X by itself, and each of these set is a subset of the union of the superset of this set. The union of the superset is Bx1 Bx2, and the union of these the union of Bx1 and Bx2 is the superset of the union of this set, and each of these set is a subset of the ground set X. Therefore, the union of the subset is again a subset of the ground set X. Now, the union of each x belong to x, the union of the elements x such that x belong to x such that each x is an element of the ground set x is equal to the ground set x is a subset of union of bx when x belong to the ground set x, and each of this resultant set is again a subset of the ground set x. This implies that the ground set x is equal to, which is a subset of this set, and this set is a subset of the ground set. Then by definition of equality of two sets, the ground set x is equal to union of bx when x belong to x, where for each bx are the elements of the subcollection beta. That is the union of some members, then the union of some members of beta, that is bx are the members of beta, bx are the elements of beta, that is the union of the members of beta is equal to the ground set x, where the ground set x is an open set in a topological space ta on topological space topology ta, which where ta is a topology on the ground set x, which we have to prove.